Accused triple murderer Erin Patterson has wrapped up 8 days on the witness stand. The prosecution today concluded its cross-examination by challenging more of Ms Patterson's testimony. This included final questions about her mobile phones, where she bought the mushrooms, and what she ate the day after the fatal lunch. Ms Patterson rejected the prosecution's assertions that she lied to cover her tracks. The mother of two's trial continues. Erin Patterson has pleaded not guilty to all charges. And after another day in court, the Age's crime and justice reporter Erin Patterson is here with us. Erin, the prosecution finished with 3 key questions today. Can you take us through what they were?
They certainly did. Annette Rogers, SC, took to her feet and turned to the jury and the accused and said, "You'd be happy to know I've only got 3 questions left." They were, did you source death cap mushrooms deliberately? Did you include death cap mushrooms deliberately in your meal? And did you intend to kill your lunch guests? And to all 3 questions, Erin Patterson said, "I disagree."
We heard more on the conflicting accounts between Patterson and her children. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so Patterson's 2 children gave video evidence during the trial, and in that they were asked a number of questions about what happened on the Sunday after the meal. Now, her children said that they recalled that they were told that they ate the beef Wellington leftovers and that their mother had scraped off the mushrooms and the pastry and fed it to them. They also recalled that their mother sat down to eat some of the meal with them. During questioning today, Erin Patterson said, "No, they must be mistaken. I didn't have any of the leftovers." Her recollection to the jury today was that she tried to eat some cereal at that dinner meal, but she wasn't feeling well enough to eat anything.
Questioning went back to Erin Patterson's mobile phone again today. What did the prosecution ask about that?
They asked her about 2 mobile phones and a number of SIM cards that she had in 2023. And around the time of the lunch, the prosecution say Erin Patterson changed mobile phones and changed SIM cards at one point while the police were at her house conducting a raid. Erin Patterson denies that. She says, yes, she owned a number of mobile phones and she owned a number of SIM cards. And she said she was changing or in the process of changing phone numbers because of the accusations her estranged husband had made to her after the lunch. And she said she also changed the handset because the earlier one that she had just simply wasn't doing the job. But Annette Rogers asked her point blank, did you do this to hide evidence, to conceal the truth that was on that phone when police seized it? And again, Erin Patterson said, "I did not."
Erin, what's next in the trial?
Yes, so after 8 days on in the witness stand, we heard there were no more witnesses to give evidence. It's been 31 days, and we know the next step after evidence is rested is that we have what's called closing addresses. So we're expecting those to begin on Monday. They typically start with the prosecution. The jury have been told that they could take a couple of days while they sum up their case. The next step is then Colin Mandy, SC, the accused killer's defence barrister, then gives his closing addresses. It's essentially them telling the jury why they should or shouldn't find Erin Patterson guilty of murder and attempted murder. Following that, the judge then gives a number of instructions to the jury and then they go out and begin their deliberations.
Erin Patterson, thank you for your time again.
Thanks, guys.